That's my mom and dad. और हमारे यहाँ ना every Sunday was movie day. कभी थिएटर में तो कभी घर पर. और पापा की वो अमिताभ बच्चन वाली नकल ना पूरे मोहल्ले में मशहूर थी. But उनकी शक्ल not so much. But as I grew up, we grew apart. And when I moved in with the love of my life, we just stopped talking altogether. But a few months ago, the country finally woke up and realized that we all have the right to love. But I got something more. I got my Sunday movie day back.
Your zip code. Just one number different and you might have a whole other life. Different school. Different job. Different dreams. Different problems. In America, the zip code you're born in can determine your future. The Y works to change that, with programs and services that help everyone thrive, no matter who you are or where you're from. For a better us, donate to your local Y today.
Rise and shine, maggots! I'm here to pump you up! You! Give me 20 push-ups now.
Pump up the jam, pump it up while your feet are stumping. And the jam is pumping, look ahead, the crowd is jumping. Pump it up a little more, get the party going on the dance floor. See, cause that's where the party's at, and you find out if you do that.
I'm proud of you, maggots.
Pump up the jam, pump it up, yo, pump it. Pump up the jam, pump it up, yo, pump it. Pump up the jam, pump it up, yo, pump it. Pump up the jam, pump it up, yo, pump it.
Timber. Ain't. Oh, our budget is out of control. Maybe we'll have to skip a country this year.
Whoa, wait a minute. Huh? Let's check our spend tracker.
Huh?
Look, we're fine.
So we can fit everyone in.
Uh-huh. Oh, thank Father Christmas for that.
Keep track of your festive finances with St. George.